Listen up, everyone. The guests are going to arrive soon. There will be 8 games. There will be only one winner. You need to be prepared.
Guys, this game is very dangerous. There won't be a winner. We're all going to lose. There won't be any money. We'd better stop now.
Derek, you talk too much. They told us everything. There'll be a winner. There'll be $1 million for the winner. We have to play. Nobody is quitting.
Honey, where are you?
I'm at the hair salon.
When are you coming home?
When I finish.
How long will it take to finish?
I don't know. Let me ask the hairdresser. How long will it take to finish?
It won't take long. It will take about 20 minutes.
She said it'll take 20 minutes.
All right. See you at home.
See you. Will it really take only 20 minutes?
Of course not. It will take at least 1 hour.
There's a car outside. It's a very strange car. I have a bad feeling about it. I'd better call the police.
"911, what's your emergency?"
There's a car parked in front of my house. I find it very suspicious. Are you going to send an officer to check it out?
Ma'am, I'm not going to send a unit just because there's a car on the street. Have a good night.
That was rude.
I heard some noise. Are you expecting anyone?
I'm not, Pablo. It's just the two of us here.
We have to be careful. They're going to hear us. We're not going to lose them. Let's crawl.
Sheriff, how are you going to protect me?
I'm not going to protect you anymore. The FBI is looking for you. They're going to arrest you. Your partner made a big mistake.
I don't care what you think. You're going to help me no matter what. I'm not going to jail. You're going to get me out of the country.
FBI, don't move. You're not going to leave the country. You're going to jail, Mitchell. Sheriff, you're going to jail too.
Honey, we're running out of fuel.
I'm going to fill up the tank.
I'm going to be a famous TikToker. I'm going to be rich and famous. I'm going to be a big celebrity. You should invest in me.
I'm going to give you $100,000.
You're doing the right thing. I'm not going to disappoint you. I'm going to buy so many things. I'm going to be so happy. This is the start of a great partnership.
Who is going to win this competition?
It's definitely Mia. She's strong. Derek is weak.
I think Derek is going to win. He's smart.
He's not going to win. He's slow. Mia's fast.
Mia looks angry. What is she going to do?
I think she's going to push Derek.
Mia's a crazy girl.
Is he going to survive?
Yes, he is.
He's not responding. I think he's not going to make it.
We have to keep trying.
Mom, I'm leaving now. Thomas is going to marry me. He's going to make me happy.
Mia, don't do that. He's not the man for you. He's not going to be a good husband.
Don't say that. He loves me and I love him. The taxi is waiting for me. Bye.
Mia left.
Is she going to marry Thomas?
Yes, she is.
She's going to regret it.
Is he going to fall?
Yes, he is. It's very windy today.
He's going to lose balance. He's not a good athlete.
He's not going to win this competition. He's going to lose it.
Who is going to win?
Me.
Guys, this game is going to be dangerous. We should stop it. We should go home.
Nobody should listen to Derek. He's just scared. This game is not going to be dangerous. It's safe. We just need to follow the instructions.
Is everything all right?
Yes, officer. Everything is okay.
What happened to your helicopter?
There was some smoke coming out of the engine.
Oh, I see. Do you need anything?
No, we're good. We're waiting for our rescue. Another helicopter is coming to pick us up.
I can give you a ride to the gas station.
Thanks, but we're okay.
All right. Have a good day.
You too.
What's your emergency?
There was a man knocking on my door. He was trying to break in.
Is he still there?
No, he ran away. I don't feel safe. It was really scary. Please send an officer.
Ma'am, all units are busy at the moment. We can send a unit in 1 hour.
That's very late.
That's all we can do, ma'am.
That's not good enough.
Davis, wake up.
What is it?
There were some sounds coming from the living room.
I didn't hear anything.
I'm sure I heard something. Go check it out.
Nancy, it's late. There weren't any sounds.
Just go and check then.
There wasn't anything. Now, let's go back to sleep.
Mia, weren't you trying to be a TikToker?
Yes, Brandon, I was.
Did you stop?
Yes, I did.
Why?
I wasn't making enough money. Being a TikToker is not easy.
But you were so good at it. You were making incredible videos.
I know, but it didn't work so well.
So, what's the next plan?
I don't know, Brandon. Let's see.
Good morning. What is bothering you today?
Something is hurting in my shoulder.
When did it start?
It started last week while I was working at the factory.
What were you doing at that time?
I was lifting something heavy.
All right. Let me have a look at it. Take your t-shirt off. Does it hurt when I poke it?
No, it doesn't.
There is nothing wrong with your shoulder. Take some painkiller and come back next week.
Mia, this is the location. Should I wait for you?
Yes, please.
I don't want to wait here.
James, you have to wait for me. There are no Ubers in this area. Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
He didn't wait for me. He left. I should report him. Should I become a TikToker? Should I look for a real job? Should I live with my parents? It's hard to choose.
There's a car parked outside. I don't like it. It feels strange. I should call the police.
"911, what's your emergency?"
My name is Maria. There is a car parked in front of my house.
All right. Is the driver inside the car?
I can't see the driver. The windows are dark. You should send a police officer.
Ma'am, I can't dispatch a unit just because there's a car parked on the street. Thank you for calling the police. Have a good night.
Guys, we shouldn't play this game. It's very dangerous. We all should quit right now.
Derek, you should be quiet. If you don't want to play, you can leave. Don't listen to him, guys. We should play this game. We can be rich. We just need to follow the instructions.
Green light. Red light.
Listen to me. I won this round. Derek didn't complete the task. He didn't finish it. He lost.
Mia, I didn't lose. I finished on time. You didn't win. You lost.
Mr. Thomas, this is a nice jail cell.
Do you think so?
Yes, I think so.
I agree with you. It's not bad. I have a bathtub and a comfortable bed.
Now, let's talk about your situation. I have a few questions about your arrest.
Go on, ask me.
During the arrest, were the officers aggressive?
No, they weren't. They were really nice, actually.
Were your friends with you?
No, they weren't. I was alone.
Was it late at night?
Yes, it was around midnight.
Were you surprised?
Yes, I was very surprised.
Were you cooperative?
Yes, I was cooperative the entire time.
That's good, Mr. Thomas. We have a good chance to get you free.
That's excellent, Miss Hansley. This jail is nice, but I don't want to stay here forever. Let's work on that.
Sure.